I'm Ben with CompanyCam, and I have an amazing hack for keeping your customer up to speed with the progress of your job. We call it a project timeline. Now, you probably already know this, but CompanyCam automatically organizes all your company's photos by job address and instantly syncs those photos from the field to the office in real time. Now, a project timeline is a collection of all those photos laid out like a timeline so you can see exactly what happened every day. You can share with your customer a simple link. No more emailing photos and finding out that the email failed because there's 57 photos attached. You don't have to send anything more than once because when you share a project timeline link, it will keep updating as new photos are taken on the job. So your customer will be up to speed without hassling you every single day. Of course, you may not want to share every photo with your customer, so we made it possible to hide photos from this timeline so the customer only sees what you want them to see. Make your customers happy and make your day easier with CompanyCam, the only app every contractor needs.